Hello, I am Professor Rathod. Now I am going to deliver the lecture on bottoming cycle. Again, the bottoming cycle comes under the subject of applied thermodynamics under power plants. The bottoming cycle again can be explained on the basis of cogeneration. Now, as I told you, cogeneration is the simultaneous generation of electricity as well as steam in a single plant. Now these are divided in two type. One is topping cycle, another one is bottoming cycle. So recently we have learned what is topping cycle. Now basically we are going to learn bottoming cycle. Now what is bottoming cycle? Bottoming cycle in the diagram of cogeneration plant using steam or organic bottoming cycle. This diagram consists of in this flow diagram there is a process heat generator, then process plant, then waste heat, then it goes to condenser, then it goes to steam organic vapor, or also called as steam organic vapor turbine. Now when in this diagram, when the fuel, any type of fuel, a fuel like your wood, coal, petroleum coke, etc., which is applied to process heat generator, then process heat goes to the process plant. From the process plant, the waste heat which is goes to the heater. From that heater, the exhaust is going to the atmosphere. Then the steam organic vapor and steam organic vapor turbine, which are connected to the intermediate, and then this condenser is connected in between the turbine, that is organic vapor turbine, and the steam organic vapor, or a type of this is heat exchanger is there. So condenser is connected in between the type of heat exchanger and the steam organic vapor turbine, and this turbine is connected with the generator, and that generator can produces the power, or also called as electricity. Now here in the bottoming cycle, first the primary heat at a high temperature is directly used for process requirements. The low grade, low temperature and availability waste heat from process plant is used to generate electricity. The low grade, low temperature, availability waste heat from the process plant is used to generate electricity. That is the important part of it from the cycle of bottoming. So the figure shows a cogeneration plant using steam or organic bottoming cycle. The efficiency of this cycle is obviously low, 10% for low and up to 20% at the higher temperature applications. It is given that the waste heat is free and the cycle economics may be favorable. So the main application of the bottoming cycle are in the processes of chemical and material processing industries such as cement industry, limestone industry and steel industries. So these are basically applied to the industries. So this cycle is always used in industries. Now the back pressure steam turbine plant is most suitable only when the electricity demand is low. When only the electricity demand is low compared with heat demand. The combined cycle plant above is the most suitable only when the electric demand is high, about comparable to the heat demand or higher. The gas turbine cycle lies in between. Only extraction condensing plant above the suitable over a wide range of ratios. So in the bottoming cycle, the importance of the bottoming cycle, the first the thermal energy is produced, and the after that mechanical energy is produced. What is the big difference between the topping and bottoming cycle? In the topping cycle, first mechanical energy produced and then thermal energy is produced, but in the bottoming cycle the thermal energy is produced first and mechanical energy is produced then. So what is thermal energy? When we can apply the heat to a boiler that produces steam, and that steam is applied given to the turbine, it means the mechanical operation is happen, that is nothing but mechanical energy, and with the help of the turbine it generates electricity. So that is nothing but thermal energy. And what is thermal energy? Thermal energy is when the heat is applied or heat is produced through the boiler, it generates the steam, and that is nothing but thermal energy. That is the difference between what is the thermal energy and what is the mechanical energy. When the turbine works in the operation that rotates, and due to that rotation there is the power is produced with help of the generator, that is nothing but mechanical energy. And what is thermal energy? Thermal energy is when we apply the heat to that boiler, it generates the steam, and that is nothing but the importance of the bottoming cycle. So bottoming cycle is used when the demand, as per the demand, this cycle has been used. So basically the bottoming cycle is used for the different industries like chemical and material processing industries. So if you see the diagram of this bottoming cycle, in the topping cycle, the turbine, you can see the turbine plays a important role, whereas the word topping is concerned, the back pressure turbine or pass out turbine, also called as extraction turbine, that is shown on somewhat top of the diagrams, but in the bottoming cycle, so for the better understanding I am explaining it. In the bottoming cycle, that steam or organic vapor turbine is somewhat it is shown in the bottom portion of this diagram, somewhat the bottom portion of the diagram. That is why we can understand the big difference between the topping cycle and bottoming cycle. So bottoming cycle, cogeneration plant using steam or organic bottoming cycle, which one is used first to generate thermal energy and then mechanical energy, and that is the importance of this bottoming cycle. Dear friends, deliberately I am selected these topics like topping cycle and bottoming cycle, which has been given in the syllabus of D/2, but in books or even in the textbook it is not explained in such a manner. That is why deliberately I am selecting it, and this is about the cycles. Okay, that's all. Thank you.